Hi everyone. Just found this beautiful creation. There's the new hutch just outside our door. That's the nest. Look at them. They are on their first flight, I think. See them? There's two babies, two chicks. The mother and the father was guarding them. Maybe coaching how to fly. It's the beauty of nature. See how small it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.